Ew, it's Draco and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video for you guys on the Jeffree Star mystery box. I just got it in the mail. I have not seen what's inside it yet, so let's check it out. So right off the bat, you get this green paper. So the first thing I got in the box is the 5-year anniversary hoodie in purple. I am so excited because I wanted to get one on Black Friday, but I wasn't able to because I bought this box. So I'm so glad I got it here. I'm actually gonna put it on right now. So when you open it up, this is the logo, and then it has these purple stars on the side, which I'm probably gonna wear this every single day, and I'm not ashamed. Oh, it is so soft inside. I love the way his hoodies feel. I have another hoodie, which is the 420 hoodie in large, so this one is the medium. So the medium fits perfectly, and I absolutely love the purple stars. It's so freaking cute. The second thing I got in the box was this candy cane Jeffree Star straw, which I have all the other straws that came in the mystery boxes. I believe it's the orange one and the pink one. Unfortunately, I did not get his Valentine's Day box, so if one came in there, then I didn't get it. But I love this one, and it's perfect for Christmas. I will be drinking hot chocolate out of it, most likely. The next thing I got in the box is the Supreme Frost in the shade Money Honey. This is what Money Honey looks like. It is like a greenish gold, and it has that shift to it. The next thing I got, oh my god, I believe it's the Thirsty palette. Let's open it. I didn't open it yet. Here it is, the absolute gorgeous Thirsty palette. I also got Jeffree Star stickers. I know everybody's been saying things about these, but I'm actually really excited for them because I am a Jeffree Star lover and I followed him since basically the MySpace days, and this is a good collector's item. The next thing in the box is the long-awaited Peppermint Frost palette that everybody's been going crazy for. Here she is, the Peppermint Frost palette. This is the Jeffree Star Peppermint Frost palette. It is so beautiful. It's ugly sweater, igloo gold, and chocolate ice. I'm going to swatch them for you, and then I'm also going to put them on my highlight because I don't have any highlights, specifically because I knew this box was being delivered today. So this is ugly sweater. It's like a pinky, like white, and it's very beautiful. That is igloo gold, and that's beautiful. That's what I'm actually about to put on my cheeks. Here is chocolate ice. So it basically looks like a Neapolitan ice cream. It's ugly sweater, igloo gold, and chocolate ice. They are very beautiful. And I'm just gonna take my Morphe 510 and dip it into that igloo gold. It's crazy how highlight like turns you from like a 5 to like a kind of 6, 7. For the last two things we got are 2 velour liquid lipsticks, one in the shade First Class and the other one in Soft Serve. So this is First Class swatched. It's like a beautiful gold metallic. definitely like a baby pink, kind of. Well, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what comes in the deluxe mystery box. I definitely think it was worth the $100, especially for the Peppermint Frost highlighter palette, which I'm so obsessed with because it's beautiful. It has 3 shades in it and I could definitely get use out of it. I'm also excited that he finally included a palette in there, which is the Thirsty palette. I kind of seen the Premiums palette, and it comes with Blue Blood, which I wish I was getting that one, but I am more than okay with the Thirsty palette because I love good neutrals with pops of color. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys got in your boxes.